He's over there now. He's over there. You see him, Jazz?
Oh yeah. It's really hard to spot on camera.
This is lovely, isn't it? Come on then, Indy. I'll give you a hand up. Do you want to see how Daddy was going?
Oh, I can actually see it on camera.
This is a beech tree.
Yeah. Woo! That's a nice one. Guys, today I'm at a nature reserve thing with my sisters and my dad. We've already seen a robin, which is the one before. Yeah, hopefully I see some more good nature. We've heard lots of pheasants, and earlier today there was a kestrel sighting, which are very hard to see because they're the same shade of the trees. So be back if I see any more. Over there, look. I'm gonna go over there, Dad. They look like bird nests. There's a bird. Look at this. Listen to that. Birds chirping. I saw a mouse earlier on the floor. We gotta be quiet here. Otherwise all the birds will fly away. Look, one there. Maybe we could see some squirrels or something. I think there's some in these bushes right here. We've got to be quiet. I think they all flew out. Bang. Yeah? Okay. Right. We're going to go to another part of this little forest. So yeah. Oh, there's loads of charcoal on the floor here. It's quite cool. This little opening. Squirrel. Up there. Squirrels. Yep, squirrels. There's a bird right up there. There's a bird just up there. They're talking to each other. Look through the binoculars. Somewhere up there. Yep, there's birds somewhere up there. Oh, you can see it. Just flew away. It's on another. It's on this tree. It's on this tree. Just in front of me. Let's go look it and see if we can see it. It's just up here. There it is, there it is. There, you can see it. You can see it. Yep. You see it? Yeah. Bouncing about. There it is, flapping its feathers. Let's go up. I'm pretty sure that's a blackbird. Is it still there? No, it's gone. Oh no, it's still there. Yeah, it's there, it's there. Yeah, that's a blackbird. Let's see. Can I see it on camera? Let's wait for it to fly. It's just there. There's another one. Oh, you can hear it. Wow. Flip this round. Look at all those little creepy crawlies. Wood lice. You must make sure to put it all back afterwards. There's loads. Got to put it back. Well, I failed at putting it back, but alright. Go up here, see if we can see any other animals. Look at this. Bind trees. Like vines. We'll bind round. Hang on. Bind round. Look at this. Look at this. It's binded. You could use this to make a rope if you're like some Stone Age guy. That's cool. I did just try and hang on one and it completely fell. But look at that. It goes round. It's awesome. Come
You
here.
got a daddy that's as clever as that, eh?
Daddy, pick it up. Otherwise they're going to ram into the bag. Hello.
Come on, boy. Come on. Hello. What's going on?
Do you have any food for them?
You get some good shots, though.
Yeah. Hello. They're like, no food here, guys. Look how fat that one is, Daddy. Daddy, that one's really fat. All the goat, all
He's
the
not a
goat,
unicorn, he's a multicorn.
hello. All the goats
Look at his
literally
white
just
angel
ran
friend.
away.
Oh, she's pretty, not her.
Oh, and there's a brown one.
Oh, look at that one. They're nice.
Are they like wild horses? Look, they're all running.
They're
Guys, watch out, watch out.
They're scary.
No, don't put your hand out, Andy. Let me just jab.
They're,
Like their manes, they haven't been cut.
are they ponies?
Let me jab just in case.
That one's a
Horse
big
bites
one.
you. No, you don't know.
Indy, stop.
But Daddy, you stroked
I
them.
know, but I'm a big old man.
want to see the white one. I know that one.
Hello.
Chocolate.
Did I spook them? Is that why they came over here?
Chocolate.
Indy, no.
But Daddy, you touched.
Not yet.
How long are we walking for?
We're going to see how far we can get.
That's something getting killed. It's dead. There was a woodpecker in there somewhere.